welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing a kid's chair, which will be pictured right here. Stay tuned. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this ergonomic study kids chair. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up the box. I'm going to show you everything that comes in this box. It is an easy to put together. So first off, we're going to go ahead and open up here. This is the back side. Right here is the bottom of the chair. This is where your cylinder goes at the bottom. Also your wheels. So we're going to make our way to the box, and this is the back seat of the chair. I'm just going to go ahead and put this to the side while I get through everything else in the box. As you can see, this is memory foam. Very nice. Here is the bottom seat of the chair. Here is the wheels. This is the blue color. So now we're going to make our way to the instructions manual. As you can see, it is very easy. It's just a 3-step. So now we're going to go ahead and show you the cylinder, the hydraulic cylinder. So I'm going to get into this box. So the installation is easy. All you got to do is just put the wheels on. As you can see, you'll go ahead and you'll put the cylinder on down here. You'll stick it through the hole. You'll take the bottom part of the chair and then just press it down here. So now if you want to mount the back part, you're just going to go add this right into the back of right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that in there. So you want to make sure you take off this little cap so it'll fit in there. I'm just going to go ahead and take that cap off. So now that you got that in there, what you're going to do is find the spot where the screw goes, and then you just go ahead and you put that in there. So we're just going to go ahead and put that in there. So once you got that in, it will slide, so you can actually tighten this up right here to wherever you want it to settle. So let's just go ahead and tighten that. So now that I got it in there in place, this is what it looks like. You can actually move it out if you need more support. So this is what the chair looks like. Just gonna go ahead and flip it around. I'm going to flip it to the back. If you want to lift up the chair, you just go ahead and push this button right here. It lifts up. You just push it down if you want it to go down. So that's what basically it looks like. If you need a little bit more room here, all you do is down here is you just loosen that little screw down here, and it will actually move out a bit. So with the adjusted chair, it actually moves the back of the back a little bit back farther, more lumbar support. This is a very nice kids chair. As you can see, this does come in also pink, so it's the matching one but in pink, as well as the wheels. The wheels are as pink. Alright, so now that we got the chair all set up and assembled and it looks really nice, it's good to go. So if you're interested in this chair, I will link all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and definitely hit that little notification button right here so you get notified every time I upload a new video. You can also check me out at modysreviewchannel.com. Thanks for watching.